So shortly after launching NYNJA Drive, we started getting feedback from our users about how easy it is to create groups and share folders and libraries with people within NYNJA Drive, and how much easier it is than other solutions that they've been using. And so I just wanted to take some time here and give a quick demo and just show you how groups work within NYNJA Drive. So you can see on the left side here we have shared with groups. So this is like a fan fold opens up to show all the groups that you've created or that are shared with you. So for example, if I click on all groups, you can see I have a marketing group, a mobile development group, and a web development group. And those are the same as represented here. And then within the group, it's showing what is the library or what are the libraries that are shared within that group. So this is really easy overview screen to get a feel for what groups you have and what folders are shared within those groups. That alone is very useful sometimes just to get that overview picture. So let's go ahead. I'll create a new group and let's call it NYNJA Drive Demo, and we'll hit submit. So now I've got a fourth group, as you can see, NYNJA Drive Demo. And if I refresh here, it will also come there, NYNJA Drive Demo. So let's say, for example, I want to take a library and I want to share it with a new group. So how do I do that? So I will take the NYNJA Drive folder here, and I will say share to group. And you can see it's already shared to marketing, as you saw in the overview screen, and that's with read and write access. I'll go ahead and I'll also share it to the NYNJA Drive demo group, and we'll say it's read only for here and submit. Closing here, let's go back to the all groups. Now you can see that the NYNJA Drive folder is shared in the NYNJA Drive demo and not only in the marketing group anymore. So now how do I know who's in this group? So let's go ahead and click into the NYNJA Drive demo. And over here on the person, you can see quickly who's in the group. So far I am the only one in the group. Let's go ahead into the settings. We'll manage our members. And from here, I can add other people. For example, I will add Nikolai. I will add JR. I can add anybody I want to this group. And so now you can see they are members. I could delete them if I want to. I can change them to an admin if I'd like. So let's go ahead now, and I can see who are the members. There you go. So now if JR or Nikolai log in, they'll be able to see under their groups this NYNJA Drive demo folder with the NYNJA Drive folder within it. If I want to, I can also transfer the ownership of this group. So for example, if I'm no longer the owner, I can just say, we'll transfer it to JR. I don't want to do that right now, but it's very useful if you're passing off tasks. Additionally, I can rename it, and I can delete the group if we don't need it in the end. So that's just a quick overview of how the NYNJA groups work. And again, it's just a very easy, secure, and quick way of taking your existing folders or libraries and sharing them with various groups of people within NYNJA Drive. So we hope you like it, and look forward to your feedback.